Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. It's it's actually July 14th today. It's actually my birthday, so happy birthday to me, I guess. No plans, gotta work, so, you know, what are you gonna do? And yeah, let's get some fatwood going. But first, let's do this week's channel shout out drawing, which I haven't done yet. We'll do that right now. Okay, so I actually haven't drawn it yet. I was getting ready to leave the house and went ahead and strapped my boots on. I was like, oh wait, I haven't done the drawing yet. Well, I'll do it when I get home. But I already know that Jack, Redneck Renegade, Mr. Neck, sent me a sticker, so I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. And let's get some fatwood going, because why not? Alrighty. Get those in there. Let's get to the sticker. Pre-opened it from our brother Redneck Renegade. Man, I hope the camera will zoom on those. Those are a cool sticker, brother. Tell you what. Yeah, I'll peel off the back off camera because those backs can be kind of a pain. Oh, hey, one fell out, so we'll just go with that. It's like it was meant to be. Oh, cool, Harshman Hills. Good dude. Kind of small to see, but I'll link Harshman Hills in the description. Good dude. Real good dude. Let's get that sticker back. Alrighty, got a sticker right here next to Plain Old Chuck and just below Allie Carroll and Kevin's Adventures. Very cool. So I got really serious and I looked myself right in the eye in a mirror and I said, do not buy any more gear. Do not. So I bought some more gear. And let's crack it open. Alright, let's go ahead and crack this guy open. You gotta be careful not to, it feels like it's all the way to the edge. I gotta make sure not to cut it. Nice. These are little canvas bags that this gentleman on Etsy makes. So that's the small one. Well, he tied those really well. I like that he gives you a lot of cord to work with, though, and he looks like he looped it on there, which is very nice. I like the color. Man, that is cool. First time holding them. And this is the medium-sized one. I don't actually have any plans for them, but I just took one look and said, yeah, I like those. I like those a lot. That's, well, I mean, I can compare. I have a large glove, and man, those are slick. I think those would be my new coffee bags. And those are really well made. I don't know if the inside will show, but those are nice. I think we have some coffee bags. Sweet. Alright, let's see here. I got my bag of fatwood from Fab Creations. Let's do something we haven't done before. Fab Creations North Cal Gray Pine. That will work. Now what I've been doing is I've got a couple of sticks, probably blocking my camera, that I've been just kind of working on. I've been using these as a base, and then I use the Tinder Pal for the other fatwood, which I get smaller. So I'll go ahead and get this, get my base ready. Yeah, I'm sort of combining fatwoods, but These are just sticks of some naan. I have no idea where it's from. It might even be store-bought. There we go. Just a little because we're under fire danger right now. Great. Ziploc bag had to tear. I should say zip top bag. This is not a name brand. There we go. Let's see here. That one looks good. I don't think I've ever burned Northern California grapevine. I don't think I've ever burned that before. So this will be the first time. Make sure I'm in. That might be a little high, but there we go. Okay. That'll probably be enough, but I'm going to throw in just a wee bit more. Another car. I gotta find a less busy place. There's a school at the end of the road, so I think they're either teachers or parents driving up the road all the time. I might scout around for a new area to do this. I like it because it's out of the way, but then all the traffic gets annoying. Forgot, gotta put it upside down so it doesn't cut my bag. And see if we can get a one and done with the Northern California, was it gray pine? Even read the bag and I forgot. Yep, gray pine. So I was right, I just doubted myself. Alright. So one strike-ish. That first one was mistimed, but man, that burns nice. That burns real nice. It's good stuff, Bruce. I like it. I like it a lot. Sweet. Forgot to grab a Ranger band for this. I was going to do that as well. I never did read the instructions on that either. Alrighty, well, as always, I appreciate you all watching. Thank you very much. I managed to get a couple videos together for this weekend, so this weekend I'll be excuse me, full of videos. Don't have a day off until the 18th, which I'm going to. I've got plans and some reviews I'm going to be shooting, and maybe a little hiking. And yeah, so as always, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget to check the description for the shoutouts.